Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the YouTube, and you need to update YouTube application. Once you done that, you simply need to do is to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on your channel icon in the right bottom. So once you are here you can see different options, and the last one is turn on incognito. Click on that. So now I am on my incognito mode, and how you can turn off, you simply need to click here and click on turn off. So now you can see that incognito mode is now turned off. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.